Going on YouTube? Out here with the Vortex 223's. I put the MAX10 G2, got the 2400 kV motor in there. I think I'm gonna keep that 2400 in there. Just did that just for torque, running the lower kV. I did put the aluminum shocks on it, round gap lights on it, put the BASHER plate on there, got the mojave arms on it, the 4S diffs on there, the hubs, got the running the proline BONESAWs. But yeah, we're gonna give a quick little speed test out on this. Probably ain't gonna hit running the I got a 22 pinion in here too, so I probably see maybe about 45, 47. Ain't really like going for that out of the box 50, you know. Might get close to it, might not with that 2400 kV in here, but we gonna see what it do. Oh, and I got a I don't know where I got this. Got that ESC mount off of eBay for that, because that trying to get this in here with that the center diff and all that, that's really tight. That ESC might you might have to turn this sideways or wherever, turn the ESC sideways, because that motor is like hitting. I had to notch that ESC plate out that I got off of eBay. I had to notch it out in order to get it to sit down. So we're gonna see how this handles. Like I said, I did the 2400, not necessarily for speed wise, but for just torque in general. We're gonna do a quick little speed test on it, seeing where we at with it. We're gonna track, start. I did that just to see how the torque is on it. I bring it back, see where we at. Like I said, I got the 2400 in there. I ain't expecting crazy speeds out of it. We're gonna stop, read. Oh, 52. It's 52 with the 22 pinion in there with the 2400 kV motor. And then a Hobbywing MAX10 G2. Wow, that's surprising. I was thinking it'd be at least about 45, 47, or even less than that. I'm surprised on that. But that's what you get right there with that 2400 kV. The 2400 kV with a 22 pinion, you're still getting that 50 out the box. I'm surprised, and I'm liking that. Well, I ain't even really liking it, but I mean, it's still like, I mean, I'm liking it, hitting it up there, but yeah, that's not bad. But like I said, I did that just for the torque. These BONESAWs. said, with that 24. Oh. Pro. Yeah, I think this is more. Right. There you go. That short wheelbase is kind of hard to balance that out. All in all, she moving. That's with them bone saws on there. Can't be too aggressive with it. The short wheelbase is it's like weird. Yeah, that's it. That's arrma Vortex, Hobbywing, MAX10, G2, 2400 kV, 22 pinion. There she go right there.